The Dubai Miracle Garden is a world-renowned floral paradise located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is one of the largest natural flower gardens in the world, and is a popular tourist attraction that draws visitors from all over the globe. Here are some key points about the Dubai Miracle Garden. Concept and design. The Dubai Miracle Garden was conceptualized by the Dubai Properties Group and was inaugurated on Valentine's Day in 2013. The garden's design is intricate and creative, featuring a variety of themed gardens, floral displays, and structures made entirely of flowers. Floral displays. The garden is home to an astounding array of flowers, plants, and trees, all arranged in stunning patterns and shapes. The displays change with the seasons, and you can find a diverse range of flowers such as petunias, marigolds, geraniums, and more. Themed gardens. One of the unique features of the Dubai Miracle Garden is its themed gardens. These gardens are designed around specific concepts and ideas, such as heart shapes, pyramids, record-breaking achievements. The garden has broken several Guinness World Records, including the record for the world's largest vertical garden. It's a testament to the innovation and creativity put into its design. The Dubai Miracle Garden operates on a seasonal basis. It is typically open from November to April, which is the most suitable time for visitors to explore the garden comfortably. Entertainment and activities. The garden offers various entertainment options and attractions for visitors, such as live performances and themed events. It's not just a garden to stroll through, it's an immersive experience. Sustainability. While the Dubai Miracle Garden is known for its extravagant floral displays, the garden uses advanced irrigation systems and recycling practices to conserve water. Location. The Dubai Miracle Garden is situated in the Dubailand area, making it easily accessible for both tourists and residents of Dubai. The Dubai Miracle Garden is a testament to human creativity. It has become an iconic attraction in Dubai, showcasing the city's dedication to innovation, entertainment, and horticultural. Thank you for watching.